Eugene suban eti se yinse yu ana suban no oye na afutuo ba de kan se suban no nya acceptable enunti na amanfo de omano to suban nim no ananye sa because say your organization bim na usuban enya acceptable la eno na bama obia betu nanu asiwu so but uye nipa na anu nyina eba wo so a you don't take it on a negative note fa ne fa ye wadwene se o de air reshape ho Kwame Opoku profile na no Saturday me boy wa bra na Bismarck atnase no you a nice player looking at how athletic he is me de me pe Kwame Opoku because enim ho no energetic athletic like who defender you wouldn't predict style or the bubble taba Kwame Opoku see super no
omwangaza so ni style or the bubble
like etema as no exceptional qualities but again the attitude na hanama on the field wow when be out to say this boy have issues outside the pitch and the air catcher Kwame Opoku ni say even if say has ain't me amfana and chle the end of the journey name Eugene attitude no I don't know bieka enti ompe kwan attitude no befa so na wasesa no and Kotoko so Eugene MD na kan nyina wose de maba akra ho no nkyere se you are automatically part of the team nyemom forced to be part of the team enti MD akawe ya me de me say ne hwan na me say betu mu nkyere wakasapa he also he hopes he sees all of them being part of the team. So push yourselves. I think that yentimi country players ni bi ebinum ye namfofo ebinum ye nuanom
yo nuano ya de nya country.
But or see if you don't push yourself to make it up to the team on woni hwe and it's true. And Ohaba bia na Kotoko e last season na expectations no Eugene very high, especially looking at Kwame Opoku, a new football director, foreign coach, Tinkler, the assistant, SIF foreigner. It's a much is expected from the technical team, and the technical team will make sure say it's either say omo man adwuma obe prove actually until he would want the best out of the players. Until Kotoko players say MD akani nyina or say what be doing training chine say
board chairman you are finally part of the team. Push yourselves to be part
mate
me da say eno Raphael Kofi Attakora